Hey folks, so in this video I will show you how to remove the empty spaces in Audacity. So first what you have to do is go to the file and import the audio you want to remove the empty spaces. So I select this audio. So here you can see there are some kind of empty spaces here. So to compare, I will import this file again to show you how it will looks like after removing the empty spaces. So I'm going to remove the empty spaces of this track. So to remove the empty spaces, select this track and go to effects and go to special tools and special and go to truncate silence. So in here there are several settings you can see. First one is detect silence. So threshold, this is the decibel value you want to set, like which value uh, this program should identify as a silence in decibel, like if the uh, sound decibel value low than this one, it will identify as silence in this track. And so there is another value called duration. So this value is used for identify uh, how long is the silence, like if silence is longer than this value, it will identify as a silence in this track, or otherwise it will ignore. And here you can see another option called action. So in here truncate, there is a value called truncate 2. So in here we are deciding how much the program truncate the identified silence. So 0.3 means it will this let's say program identified silence more than 0.5 seconds, so it will truncate to 0.3 seconds. So after that, after you setting these things and click apply, so you can see this track now silences are reduced compared to this original track. I hope this video is helpful. So feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Have a nice day.